Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be playing with the brand new Norvina palette. I actually purchased this the day that it launched on Ulta.com. If you guys are watching this video, it has already been launched worldwide. You can obviously buy this palette online, and I'm pretty sure you can buy it in Ulta stores as of the 5th, but like I said, if you guys are watching this video now, it has already launched. I'm going to start with the disclaimer. I did purchase this palette with my own money. Not a sponsored video or anything like that. I purchased my palette the day that it launched on Ulta.com, which was the 29th, and I believe I got it on the 1st. This palette retails for $42, and I think I paid $45.52 for mine, obviously because I had to pay for the sales tax on it. This is what the box looks like. It is this beautiful purple color. You guys know me, purple is my favorite color. So this is what the front of the carton looks like, and the back just looks like this. Palette is cruelty free, and it was made in the USA, and there are 14 colors I believe in this palette. Right here on the back it says Norvina's go-to eyeshadow palette featuring 14 whimsical shades ranging from bold and bright mattes to soft pastel shimmers. So let's open this guy up. And here it is. And it's just so pretty. Packaging is a purple felt, and when you open it up, it just looks like this. And of course, it comes with the protector, and it also comes with the mirror protector, which we could take off if I can get it off. There we go. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and of course, like all the other palettes, you can fold it back so you can see all of your colors that you have here. It also comes with a dual-ended brush. It has the fluffy side on the one side, and then it has like a little flat packer brush. After I purchased this palette, I was looking up on YouTube to see some reviews and some things like that, and I noticed that everybody was pretty much doing the same eye look. So for today's video, I'm going to be playing with the purple colors. Is one of the main reasons why I bought this palette, because I am absolutely in love with this color right here, which is called Celestial, and I'm also pretty intrigued by this color right here, which is Soul. Big fan on purple eyeshadows just because they don't work well for me, but I am super excited to play with this palette. Now, just another little side note, if you guys do hear background noise, I apologize. My one dog is sleeping and he's snoring, the baby is awake, and of course the puppies are nursing on their mama. So if you guys have watched any of my other videos, you would know that Nessa was born and we had puppies, so it's kind of been like, been pretty hectic. As always, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that subscribe button down below, and there will be a link at the end of this video if you would like to subscribe. If you like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys purchased this palette, if you like it, and all those types of things. Also, I did just want to mention, from now on I will not be doing my first impressions and my reviews together. They will be in separate videos. There will be more videos of me using this palette later on. I decided to do it this way because I feel like you can't really do a review the first time you use a palette. I feel like you have to play with it a little bit, so I'm going to do my first impressions in this video, do a tutorial for you guys, and then later on I will play with the palette a little bit more, create some more looks, and then I will do my final review. To keep a lookout for that video, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit the bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm ready to play with this palette, so if you guys are ready, then just keep on watching. I'm going to use Audrey's headband and put my hair back. I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using my handy dandy Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and just pop some of this on my eyeballs. Well, not my eyeballs, my eyelids, I guess. I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. And I'm going to bring this down here. I can't freaking talk today. You can tell I haven't filmed a video freaking ages. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild fluffy brush. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Base, and I'm going to lay this all over my lid. Holy crap, is there a lot of fallout. You don't even need to put your brush. Can you guys see that? So I'm just going to put this color all over my eyelid to set that concealer. So since I want to do a purple look, I'm going to go into this color right here, which is called Incense, and I'm going to use this as a transition color in my crease. Colors are very pigmented right off the bat, which I like, and it seems to be blending out rather nicely. Working up my crease a little bit more, I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Volatile, and I am going to deepen up the crease just a little bit. And I'm really smoking out the outer corner. I'm not bringing the color all the way over to my inner corner. I'm just focusing it on the outside and right in the middle. I'm going to take a smaller little fluffy brush, and this is one of the brushes from the Mermaid collection. I'm going to use this to pack on a little bit more color in the outer corner. I'm going to jump into this shade right here, which is called Passion. I'm going to place this right in the outer corner, just to bring in the reds and the purples. I'm going to go back in with that same fluffy brush that I was using before and blend these colors together. Okie dokie, now for the purples. I'm going to go back in with the same brush that I used with Passion, and I am going to dunk right into this color right here. This color is called Drama. It is a sparkly shade, but I want to put this in the outer corner, I think. And I'm just going to pack that all over the outer corner of my lid. Going back in with that same fluffy brush, I am going to blend the upper portion of my eye. I'm going to take my flat shader brush, and I'm going to go into my favorite color in the palette, which is this one right here, and this is called Celestial. I'm going to try this color with a dry brush first, and then we'll see if I need to wet my brush. So I'm just going to take this color and pack it all on the inner corner and the other half of my lid. And I'm bringing that right over into that darker purple shade we used before. I'm absolutely in love with this color. It's so pretty and shiny. So just for shits and giggles, I'm going to go ahead and wet my brush. I'm just using my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set, and I'm going to spray that. I might go in with my finger just to see how that works also. I am getting this color everywhere because, of course, I have long nails, so it is a little bit harder for me to get the color packed on. But I really like that purple color. I think I'm going to add a little bit more color here into the center of the eyelid. So I'm going to go into this color right here, which is called Moonchild. And I'm just going to take it on a dry dome brush and just put a little bit on the center of my lid. And I'm going to go in with my finger and just pack some of that right on. I'm going to go back into the same shader brush and blend out the upper area of my eyelid just to bring the dark purple back. I'm just going to take the same brush that I used for Passion, and I'm not going to dip it back into the color. I'm just going to take whatever is left on this brush and blend this back in with the pink color just to get rid of any of the harsh lines. For the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is called Dreamer, and I'm going to pop this right in my inner corner. I'm going to put it right under my brow bone too. Now that the upper lid is done, I'm going to jump off camera, finish the rest of my face, and then we will finish the rest of the eyes. So the rest of my face is done. I am waiting for my inner corner eyelash glue to dry, so I'm going to finish up my waterline. I'm going to jump into this color right here, which is Soul, and I'm going to use this color all over my bottom waterline. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and smoke this out. So that is pretty much it for this video. This is the finished look using this new Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can honestly say I am absolutely in love with this palette just from using it this one time. I'm not going to go into full depth about why I love this palette and everything like that, but like I said, I want to play with this palette a little bit more, and I want to play with all the other colors as well. I will be doing a full review on this palette here shortly. It already gets stuff on it. The life of a YouTuber, I tell you. As for the colors that I used today, I really loved the way this look came out. I'm super excited to play with this some more. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!